Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my closet as well as my dresser drawers. I'm going to be going through mainly my warm weather clothing as I've been wearing them for the last couple months, and I've noticed that there's some things that I'm not grabbing for or that I do grab for and I'm like, ooh, that doesn't fit anymore. So I want to go through everything, declutter everything. If you've not seen my previous clothing declutters, I do like to do it twice a year, mainly in the warm weather months as well as the cold weather months. That way I can go through the things that I have been wearing recently, and I know what, again, that fits, that I like, and I can get rid of the things that I'm not wearing. So that being said, let's get into it. So I did some organizing off camera. So obviously you saw the new shoe storage. I feel like this is utilizing the space in here so much better. I hated the system that I had before. It was just all over the place and just too much, too bulky. All I had was, these organizer things here that there was no shelves in between that would have given me much more space for my shoes and stuff. So anyway, I bought this organizer off of Amazon. It was super cheap. I honestly don't know why I didn't do it before. I'll link it below, and it's actually flipped upside down. I don't know why this bar here was supposed to be at the top and there's no reason for it. It didn't give any extra, space or organization. Anyway, I flipped it over, so now that there's the space underneath. If this would have been on the bottom, there would have been no underneath space. So I did that. I moved my sweaters over here. I flipped this one vertically, so now there's more vertical space being taken. All the space is just being utilized so much better. And then I moved a lot of stuff that lived up top down further because I'm 5 foot even and it makes it very difficult to try to get to the top of my closet for things. So I laid this organizer on its side and then just put a couple of the bins in there that have like small purses and my hats, gloves, scarves, things like that in there, and then my husband's bin. Which just gave me like an extra shelf in here too. I can put more shoes there. I actually have some shoes that are still downstairs, like by my door. That when I do bring them up, I'm out of space. So, there's more storage there. A place to put my laundry basket so it's not just out in the middle of the floor taking up more space. More shoe storage there. So yeah, things are just looking a lot more organized in here and I'm here for it. Also, my mother so graciously donated a bunch of white hangers to me. So now all of my hangers are white and they match. They're beautiful. It's not all, just mismatched and driving my brain crazy. So getting into the declutter portion, I'm going to go ahead and go through all of my summer tops and then we'll move to the dresser once I finished in here. that part went pretty fast. Again, I declutter pretty often, so I don't always have, you know, a lot to go through. So I do have a few items here, a couple dresses and just a couple tops. I'm going to try them off of camera, see how I feel in them. If I, you know, still love them, they still fit, they'll go back on the rack. Otherwise, they're gonna be donated. So not a bad little declutter. I was actually really looking forward to going through my shorts and my sleepwear. They were just kind of getting out of control, and I knew that there was a bunch that I wasn't wearing. So I pulled 5 pairs of shorts, but I actually ended up keeping one of them once I tried them on. So I ended up getting rid of 4 pairs, got rid of I think 5 things from the closet, a couple graphic tees that I don't wear anymore, and 3 or 4 things from my sleepwear. So yeah, things are looking a little better. Didn't really get rid of a whole lot in here. I mean, this was my sleepwear. It is what it is. I got rid of a few things, so there's actually some room here now. My graphic tee, this is all my graphic tees now, so I have a good chunk of space back there. This is all solid tees and like undershirts. And then my shorts drawer, I'm actually missing a couple pairs because they're in the wash right now, but they're in the wash because I wear them. Scrub drawer is looking a little better. I think I liked changing the direction of the shirts. It helps, I don't know, look a little more aesthetic, and it seems like there's a little bit more room for the scrubs now. Again, I think I have 2 or 3 pairs in the wash right now. And then closet looks about the same because I only got rid of a few things, but overall a very good declutter.